Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get this cute off-shoulder outfit in Berry Avenue. So if you're looking for the perfect stylish off-shoulder outfits in Berry Avenue, in this tutorial I'll show you exactly where to find it and how you can style it. And this is how you can do it. First, you can just go to the avatar menu and go to the search option. Here I'm going to delete the one that I'm using, and now under the shirt you can just find the off shoulder using this keyword coastal off shoulder. Okay, hit on search or enter, and then you can just find the off shoulder top that you want to use. So for example, let's try this one. Okay, I don't like this one. Okay, I think I'm going to just go with this one. Now you can combine it with the other items from here. Let's say I'm going to combine it with a skirt. So click on dresses and skirt and choose the skirt that you want to fit or to perfect the outfit. Okay, I think I'm going to go with this so that it will become like a dress. And you can tap on done, and this is the final look for the off-shoulder outfit. And guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on thanks. Bye.